Okay, they start biting, so let's catch him. We'll start now. We'll try to use this rattle trap and see if we can catch anything with it. Yeah, this morning was so bad, but not so bad. I got two. It's just slow. The cold make it harder to catch fish. It was right now. It's nice, windy, little bit wind, not too much, but it's still okay. I hope we can catch more than this morning. It's always fun when you catch fish. Got one. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, what is this? It's fighting. Fighting good. Oh. Oh. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Don't go, don't go. Don't go, don't. Come on. Good one. Good one. Good one. Oh, that's a good one. That's really good one. Oh. Okay, come on. Oh, it's not bad. Actually, it's not bad. It's not bad. Okay, they start biting, so let's catch him. The best lure for this year and last year. Come on, let's go and catch him. I'll catch one this time. I'll catch. Oh yeah, I did. I think that's not sandbass. Maybe catfish. Maybe catfish. Maybe catfish. Oh, it's walleye or sagai. Oh, it's walleye or... Lost it. We got one. Oh, it's a good size sandbass. Ooh, wow. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Using my best lure. Yeah, I love it.